गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेक एसएसटी में जो है आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। लेसन जो है हमारा ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज है। ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज मीन्स मनुष्य, मानव संसाधन। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्या है इसमें? The people of a country are its human resources, and India is rich in natural resources like soil, minerals, forest, and water. But these natural resources are of no use by themselves. To use them efficiently and effectively, we need an educated एंड हार्ड वर्कफोर्स। अब देखिए, जो हमारे देश के पीपल जो हैं, हमारे कंट्री के मनुष्य ही एक तरह से हमारा ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज है, यानी मानव संसाधन है। जो भारत है वो एक तरह से आप कह सकते हैं नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज में है। प्राकृतिक संसाधन जो हैं उसके लाइक जैसे कि आप कह सकते हो मिट्टी है, मिनरल्स हैं, जंगल है, पानी है, ये हमें नेचुरल संसाधन है हमें जो ईश्वर ने दिए हुए हैं। बट दिस नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज आर ऑफ नो यूज़ बाय देमसेल्फ, पर हम इनको अच्छे से यूज़ नहीं कर पाते हैं। ठीक है, तो क्यों? इसके लिए हमको क्या ज़रूरत है? हमको एजुकेटेड या होना है, मतलब कि सही शिक्षा और मेहनत की ज़रूरत है। तो चलिए हम क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हुए पढ़ेंगे हम। प्रॉब्लम्स इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज। ठीक है, ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज द सिंगल मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रिसोर्सेज ऑफ आवर कंट्री, दो द overall standard of our people has improved. We face several problems. Many of these problems are interconnected, and India is the second most populous country in the world, and this overpopulation has led to shortage of food, water, housing facilities, jobs, school, etc. Since a large percentage of the population is uneducated and illiterate, improving their living standard of living has become very difficult. This causes major their living standard of living has obstacles to the growth of human resources, and poverty has also led to children not being able to go to schools as they have to earn a living to support themselves and their family. India faces the problem of uneven distribution of population. Some areas are highly populated while some have very thin population. Literacy is one of the major obstacles to growth of human resources. So superstitions and belief like the girls should stay at home and look after the houses. जो सुपरस्टिशियस लोग होते हैं, जो पुरानी विचारधाराओं को मानने वाले लोग होते हैं, वो क्या सोचते हैं कि लड़कियों को घर में ठहराओ और उनसे काम काज कराओ, वाइल बॉयज़ हेल्प देयर फादर्स एट वर्क, और जो लड़के जो हैं अपने फादर की मदद करें उनके काम में. So have also created problems in the progress and of human resources. So migration from villages to towns and cities in search of jobs has also created several problems. Failure of crops and lack of work opportunities in the villages so force these people to move to town and cities in search of work. This creates overpopulation and shortage of jobs in the cities. It also creates pressures on their resources. So measures taken by the government. तो अब आपको ये देखना है कि क्या गवर्नमेंट के स्टेप्स रहते हैं इसके लिए. क्या उसने कदम उठाए. The government has a human resources department to look into the ways in which the human resources of India can be developed. Hospitals and medical facilities are being provided to them, and primary education has been made compulsory and free for all up the age of 14 years, and many scholarship schemes have also been launched for the girl child, and the plan aims at the providing education to children between the age group 6 to 14, and the benefits of having a small family are being promoted, and more factories are being opened in the villages to provide work to the villagers, and land and houses are allotted to the poor people. Thus uh, utilize human resources to its full capacity. We need education, sincerity, hard work, and health of our people. This will lead to the progress of our country. इस तरह से आपको ये चैप्टर फिनिश होता है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. ओके, बाय बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे.